Good afternoon. This is the adaptive book I made for my son Jonah. We had previously made it with just pictures, but since we plan on working on the core vocab I and like, I added those cards to his book. So for example, we would read, I like, I like. I like the color blue, blue. I like the color blue. I like to feed baby. I like to feed baby. I like my family. Bubba, Jonah, Mama, Dada. I like my family. Bubba, Jonah, Mama, Dada. My dad likes to swim with me in the pool. My dad likes to swim with me, Jonah, in the pool. Pool. My mama likes to hug and kiss me. My mama likes to hug and kiss me, Jonah. My Bubba likes to play with me. My Bubba likes to play with me, Jonah. Morgan likes to take care of me. Morgan likes to take care of Jonah. Jonah. I like to be a good boy. Jonah, I like to be a good boy. It's a boy. The end.